Good morning everyone. We are the student of class 9A and we are going to conduct today's morning assembly.
Start a song, believe in yourself.
Believe in yourself. Yes, you can achieve if you believe in yourself. You are more braver than you think, more stronger than it seems, and more talented than you know. So, believe in yourself, because there is nothing you cannot do. If you believe in yourself, dreams can come true. Thank you.
Go, stand it.
Believe in yourself and you will be unstoppable. A very warm good morning to each and everyone present out here. Respected headmaster sir, teachers, senior juniors and my dear friends. My name is Manisha Subba of 9A, standing in front of you all to deliver a short speech on the topic Believe in Yourself. Believing in yourself is the key to achieving great things. It provides natural confidence and boosts our energy. It also means having faith in your own capabilities. Believing in yourself is very important because when you believe in yourself, you can overcome self-doubt and have the confidence to do great things. There is a chapter in class 9 English which talks about a deaf girl named Evelyn Glennie. Glennie's story serves as an inspiration to others, particularly those who are facing disabilities or any other challenges. Despite losing her hearing, she not only became a world-renowned percussionist but also a pioneer in her field. Her example shows that with the right mindset and perseverance, anything is possible. There are many famous personalities who turns them from rags to riches. What they all did differently is never giving up attitude and trust in their abilities. At the end, I would like to quote Stephen Hawking. It goes, however life may seem difficult, but there is always something that you can do and achieve it. So, embrace your potential, trust your abilities, believe in yourself, and never give up. Thank you. Have a blessed day ahead.
A very warm good morning. morning to one and all. This is Aishwarya Gazmir from class 9A standing before you all to recite a poem on the topic The Road Not Taken by Robert Frost. This poem talks about the different choices one makes in life and the impact those choices have in our journey. Now I'll begin the poem. Two roads diverge in a yellow wood, and sorry I could not travel both. And be one traveler, long I stood, and looked down one as far as I could, to where it bent in the undergrowth. Then took the other just as far, and having perhaps the better claim, because it was grassy and wanted bare. Though, as for that, the parson there had warned them really about the same. And both that morning equally lay in leaves, no step had trodden back. Oh, I kept the first for another day, yet knowing how way leads on to way. I doubted if I should ever come back. I shall be telling this with a sigh. Somewhere, ages and ages hence, two roads diverged in a wood, and I took the one less traveled by, and that has made all the difference. Thank you, and have a great day.
I, Kaush Mangal from class 9A, standing in front of you all to say today's word of the day. And today's word of the day is courteous, and it's an adjective meaning polite in manner. We can use the word courteous in a sentence like this. We should be courteous to everyone, or the girl I met yesterday on a car was very courteous. Thank you.
Good morning everyone, I am Yuva Hangrai, and today I am standing in front of you to say today's thought of the day. And today's thought of the day is: a positive mind finds opportunities in everything, and a negative mind finds fault in everything. I repeat the thought: a positive mind finds opportunities in everything, and a negative mind finds fault in everything. It means that maintaining a positive attitude helps you to see opportunities where others see obstacles. Thank you and have a great day.
What do you everyone? Respected professor, teachers and my dear friends. Today I am standing in front of you to say today's headline. And today's headline for the day is international news. A Russian missile strike on the Ukrainian President Zelensky's hometown on 4th April killed at least 16 people, including 6 children, and injured over 50 people. National news: the Supreme Court has ordered the Telangana government to immediately halt the cutting of trees near the University of Hyderabad for IT park development. The court noted the presence of wildlife, including peacocks and deers, and warned that the chief secretary could be held personally liable. State news: the historic Old Silk Route in Zuluk, Sikkim has been honored with the prestigious title of Most Scenic Route in India by India Today Tourism Survey and Award 2025. Thank you.
School, attention. Live. Yes, my country. All Indians are mine. Sisters. I love my country. And I am. Proud of it. We stand. Great. I shall always. Strive to be. Worthy of it. I shall give my. Parents. Teachers. All elders. Respect. Teaching everyone. With courtesy. My country. My people. School, stand it. School, attention.